Welcome back to Tutorials Point. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change the password of your Crunchyroll account. Before starting, you can subscribe to our channel for more videos and updates. So let's get started. So guys, for simply changing the password of your Crunchyroll account, if you're simply bored with it or because of any of the personal issues or any other reasons, all you have to do is first of all get logged into it. So I'm going to tap on it. You can see that I'm already logged into my Crunchyroll account. All I have to do is tap on setting option on the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to various setting options over you can see over here. So just below change email, there is an option of change password. Just tap on it. Now you can keep your very current password at first and keep your very new password that you want to keep again. And then confirm your very new password again. After this, you can simply tap on change password. You can see guys that your password has been changed. So this is how you do it. This is how you change the password of your Crunchyroll account. So I hope this video was really helpful for you and I was able to help you. I'm gonna see you on the next video. Till then, keep calm, stay safe, and goodbye.